Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable the embedded controller on ASUS ROG Ally. To disable the embedded controller, go to the command center by clicking on this button and then find embedded controller. If you cannot find it, go to settings, then click on plus to add and add embedded controller. Then click on it so it's disabled, and now you can see that I cannot use the embedded controller. I can still use these 4 buttons though, and to enable it back again, click on it to make it enabled, and you can see it works. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.